Talking about Calgro M3 now, and it's a mixed-use housing development group established in 1995 in this country.
Yeah, now this one is a little bit more down market in the sense that they're building larger estates at a lower price point, like Cosmo City and so on and so forth, which is out to the west of Johannesburg. People might be familiar with that one. Market
cap 2.5 billion rand, a PE ratio of 12.9, currently paying no dividend.
Yeah, so as Paul says, you know, this business is focused towards the sort of RDP type housing, okay, which is an area that's obviously been struggling with government, you know, not able to provide the funding that they need. So margins have come in. They have looked at recently diversifying away. So they've got a tie-up with one of the REITs, the listed REITs, SA Corporate, you know, to build and develop residential housing, which presumably SA Corporate is going to put out for rental, because you know the REITs would normally look to rent their properties. So it's important that they are, you know, considering alternatives in a tough environment like this. Over the years, I think, you know, Calgro has been a good investment. It's really paid investors back quite well. So it's another one. If you're prepared to ride through the current cycle, you know, this won't be a bad investment.
You want to see the share price graph? There we go again.
Yeah, good management and founder shareholders. It's the Steyn and Myburgh families that were originally involved with building this business up. I don't know. I mean, I think the government is going to make this a priority area.
I would agree with you.
Plus, remember, in the most recent budget, they lowered the amount at which no transfer tax is payable. So up to, I don't know what it is,
800,000
$1 million or something.
800,000.
There's no transfer tax if you buy or sell those homes. So that's hugely helpful, because that's, you know, lowers the net cost. And the kind of developments that they're doing in Fleurhof and Witpoortjie and so on, there's a lot of demand there for those. So I don't know. I think they're as well positioned.
Can you offer us a hot? When you say I don't know, can you swing?
No, I'm going to go not hot, just because the sector outlook is not all that positive, to be honest. But again, great business.
I see that economic forecast, that economic data is weighing on you, Paul.
Yeah,
it really has dampened your spirits, hot or not.
I think I'm going to have to stick my neck out again.
You're going hot again?
I'm going to go hot again on this one, because I think, you know, it doesn't seem unreasonably priced, and I think the area they play in is probably a little bit more resilient than what we think.
Well, thank you for your variety and being brave. It takes up different opinions to make up a